Hello and welcome to another episode of Thoughtful Leaders. And today we have Dr. Parimala Tyagi ma'am, who is the Dean of Dental at People's University Bhopal. So welcome to College Dunia ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Our viewers would like to get a brief introduction about yourself.
Yeah, I'm Dr. Parimala Tyagi, working as Dean in charge of Dental Sciences. It is a part of People's University. I'm here in this university from past 16 years. Uh, yeah, this is my small introduction.
Ma'am, you have held the key positions at various educational institutes throughout your educational career. So what are the key factors that keep you connected to this education sector?
Actually, basically, imparting the knowledge to the students and getting connected yourself to the present generation. You learn from them and you give your knowledge to them. And I love teaching. So
Okay. Ma'am, being the dean at Dental, what are your roles and responsibilities towards the students and towards the institute?
towards a student, yeah, it is as good as I'm a head of the family, and I have to see their emotional, physical, mental, and the educational well-being, being the head of the family. And to the institution, like you, I have to lead the institution. I have to see that my institution growing in terms of academics and overall development, and it should have a name all over India as well as overseas also. Like we strive for that.
Okay. Ma'am, what are some of the top priorities for UC for People's University over the upcoming 10 years?
The priority is like, we want to be one of the topmost university in India and cater service to the abroad students also, and give the best service in the health sector, because we have both dental, medical, nursing, so that we want to see that like we impart or give the best services to the society.
Ma'am, what do you like people to know about People's University that you think they might not know?
uh, the People's University is the I can say it is the best, not the best among some, but it is the best university in the central India and the oldest one. Uh, we have about 10 institutions in our university, and it is a huge 300-acre land of campus, a beautiful campus, which really itself is one township, I can say, with the best management, and the top priority for the education. So we call it as from cradle to the post graduation. Like we have all sectors for the students. So one has to come and visit us, and they will fall in love with our university.
Ma'am, what do you see as the greatest strengths of People's University?
Sorry.
Ma'am, what do you see as the greatest strengths of People's University?
Strength is like the students are our strength. Basically, they give the priority to be a part of our university. Like after the NEET exams and all, we really have people craving, the students craving and come to join us. And of course, we have a good management, and definitely the teaching faculty is also one of the most powerful strength of the university.
Okay. Ma'am, how do you tend to establish a healthy relationship at your university?
Healthy, every relation is a give and take. The more we give, the more we get. Okay, so at the university level also, we have a hearing ears. They try hear the employees, whatever we suggest, and they do imply it in our university level. And I as a dean, I hear from my students and my faculty and try to implicate in our day-to-day functioning of the institution as well as the university. So this is like very congenial.
Ma'am, any message or suggestion you would like to give to current youth and aspiring students?
Yeah, definitely. Like be Indian always. Okay, be rooted. Love your motherland. Okay? I think that's what we want now. It's in a need of our. Okay, so work for your own country.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am, for taking out your valuable time and sharing your views with us.
Thank you giving me the opportunity to be part of your. Thank you so much.